If you want to control your iPhone using your voice, swipe left, open YouTube, go to home screen. So in this video, I will show you how you can enable the voice control feature on your iPhone 16 series. Now to do that, just go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility. Under Accessibility, you will find a feature called Voice Control. Just tap on it. Now before you enable voice control, just tap on Language and select your preferred language from here. And also under Command Feedback, you can select a feedback from here. Like you can enable play a sound after a command has been done, or you can disable this feature, or you can show the confirmation. Now after you've done that, then just scroll down, then enable voice control. Now if it is your first time using voice control, a blue text might be shown right here, which might say enable voice control or use voice control. Just tap on it to turn it on. As you can see, we have this toggle, so just enable this toggle to enable voice control. Now to use voice control, just give your iPhone commands using your voice, like go to the home screen, open App Library, open YouTube, open App Store, go to home screen, go to the home screen, just like that. And this is how you can turn on and use voice control on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.